Let's look at how to change the wallpaper or background on iPhone. For this video, I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max running iOS 26.2. If these steps don't work for you, I'd recommend ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest software. If you're unsure how to do this, drop a comment below and we can create a separate tutorial showing you how to do so. Let's jump right in. As you can see, I've unlocked my iPhone and am looking at the home screen. First off, we need to open the Settings app, which you can see on the right-hand side of my screen. From there, we'll scroll down the page until you see an option for Wallpaper. Now we can choose whether we'd like to customize one of our existing wallpapers or create a new one from scratch. Today, we want to create a new one. So let's select the blue button that says Add New Wallpaper. We're now given lots of options along the top, such as Photo, if you wanted to use one of your own photos as your wallpaper, or Color, if you simply want a plain color. Scrolling down the page will show you all of the available pre-made wallpapers. For today, we're going to select one of the default wallpapers released with the current software, iOS 26, by tapping on the one we want. You can now see a preview of how your wallpaper will look, and we even have some options to customize it further. We can tap and drag the corner of the box around the clock to change its size, and by tapping on it, we can access additional customization tools such as font and color. Now let's tap Add in the top right corner to add this new wallpaper to our personal collection of saved wallpapers. For this video, we're going to select Set as Wallpaper Pair, which means it will display on our lock screen as well as our unlocked screen background. As you can see, our wallpaper has been added to our personal collection, and the word Current above it indicates that it is the currently selected wallpaper. If we return to the home screen, we are seeing our newly created wallpaper. Recent versions of iPhone software enable us to create and store multiple wallpapers with easy switching. With that being said, my old wallpaper has not been deleted. If I open the Settings app again and scroll through my personal collection, I'll find my old wallpaper still sitting there if I ever wanted it back again. I could then tap Set as Current to reapply this as my wallpaper. There are even faster ways to change and customize wallpapers, which we'll cover in another video. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This truly helps us continue doing what we're doing. Also, feel free to comment below if there's anything else you'd like us to cover.